Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to get Kling AI promo code. If you want to get Kling AI promo code, then here you will see. This is the official website of Kling AI, and here you will see this type of interface. These are the plans of Kling AI, like the basic plan, $0 per year, standard plan $70 per year, Pro plan $264 per year, and Premier plan $654 per year. And here you will see in the down you will get these credits. Like in standard plan you will get 660 credits per month. In Pro plan you will get 3000 credits per month. And in Premier plan you will get 8000 credits per month. If you want to get the promo code for Kling AI, then here you will see. This is the promo code as you can see here. Using Kling AI's promo code, this is the promo code to get the yearly plan for only $5.83 per month. So this is your promo code for Kling AI. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you.